Welcome back to Sapna's Math Book. We can continue Chapter 5, Data Handling, Part 5. Previous class we discussed about pie chart and we have done 2 questions from exercise 5.2. Today we can continue exercise 5.2. Third question. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the colors preferred by a group of people. Colors and number of people are given. 18 are preferred blue, 9 preferred green, 6 preferred red, 3 preferred yellow, total 36 people. We make a table to find the central angle of the sectors. That is first 4 columns, colors, number of people, fraction, then central angle. First we have to find fraction. Colors, blue 18 preferred, green 9, red 6 and yellow 3. How we can find the fraction? Number of people divided by total number of people. So 18 only preferred blue. So 18 divided by total number of people is 36. So 18 divided by 36 is equal to 1 by 2. Then green. 9 only preferred. So 9 by total number of people 36. 9 by 36 is 1 by 4. Then red 6 only preferred. So 6 by 36 is equal to 1 by 6. Then yellow 3 preferred. 3 by 36 1 by 2. Now we can find central angle. How we can find the central angle? Previous question we discussed already. The total angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. So the central angle of the sectors will be a fraction of 360. So first fraction is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 into 360 is 180 degree. Then second is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 into 360, 90 degree. 1 by 6 into 360, 60 degree. 1 by 12 into 360, 30 degree. Now we can check how to draw pie chart. This is a pie chart. So 180 degree blue. So 180 means semicircle only. So straight middle. This part only blue. Then 90 degree. This 180 only this also. Then you have to divide 2. 90 here, one sector is 90, the other sector also again you have to divide 2 sectors, 60 degree and 30 degree. 60 degree for red and 30 degree yellow. Green is 90 degree and blue is 180. Hope it is clear. Next question. The adjoining pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Mathematics, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the students were 540, answer the following questions. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? Hint also given. For 540 marks, the central angle is equal to 360. So for 105, what is the central angle? We have to find. How many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? Third question. Examine whether sum of the marks obtained in social science and math is more than that in science and Hindi. We make a table to find the central angle of the sectors. Already pie chart is given. See mathematics 90 degree, social science 65 degree, science 80 degree, Hindi 70 degree, English 55 degree. Central angle is given. Now we can make a table. Subjects, central angle is given. So marks we have to find. For math 90 degree, central angle is 90 degree. Social science 65 degree, English 55 degree, Hindi 70 degree, science 80 degree. How we can find the marks? 90 divided by 360. The total angle at the center of a circle is 360 degree. So 90 divided by 360 into total mark is 540 is equal to 135. You can simplify this. Next is central angle is 65 degree. So 65 divided by 360 into 540 is 97.5. Next, English 555 degree. So 55 divided by 360 into 540 is 82.5. Then for Hindi 70 degree. 70 by 360 into 540 is equal to 105 marks. For science 80 degree. 80 divided by 360 into 540. That is 120 marks. Now we can answer this question. We can easily find from the table. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? See here, Hindi only 105 marks. Then how many more marks were obtained by the student in mathematics than in Hindi? So for mathematics 135 marks only student got. For Hindi 105. So 135 minus 105 we have to do. So 30 marks. So comparing to Hindi, 30 marks more in math. The next question, examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and math is more than that in science and Hindi. So social science 97.5 and math 135. So first you have to add these. That is 232.5. Then science and Hindi 120 plus 105, 225. So science and math only more marks 232.5. Hope it is clear. Fifth question. The number of students in a hostel speaking different languages is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. So language Hindi, English, Marathi, Tamil, Bengali. Number of students 40 are speaking Hindi, 12 English, 9 are speaking Marathi, 7 are speaking Tamil, 4 are speaking Bengali. Total 72 students are there in a hostel. So first we can make a table, languages, number of students, fraction, central angle. For pie chart we want central angle, then only we can divide that circle into different sectors. So for Hindi 40 students, English 12 students, Marathi 9 students, Tamil 7 students, Bengali 4 students. So fraction how we can find? 40 are speaking Hindi. So 40 divided by total number of students 72. Then 12 are speaking English. So 12 divided by 72. Then 9 are speaking Marathi. So 9 divided by 72. 7 are speaking Tamil. 7 divided by 72. Bengali. 4 are speaking Bengali. 4 divided by 72. Then central angle. Total angle at the center of a circle is 360 degrees. So 40 divided by 72 into 360. We can simplify this. We will get 200 degree. Then 12 divided by 72 into 360. That is 60 degree. 9 divided by 72 into 360 degree. That is 45 degree. Then 7 divided by 72 into 360. 35 degree. And for Bengali, 4 by 72 into 360. 20 degree. Now we can check the pie chart. See 200 degree. For 200 degree, see more people are talking Hindi only. Hindi here 200 degree here. Then 60 degree here. This sector is 60 English. 60%, 60 degree. Then 45 degree for Marathi. Then 35 degree for Tamil. 20 degree for Bengali. Hope it is clear. We can continue in the next class. Practice well, children. Thank you.